from people who put you down. Walk away from fights that will never be resolved. Walk away from trying to please people who will never see your worth. The more you walk away from things that poison your soul, the healthier you will be. China joins WHO's COVAX Global COVID-19 Vaccine Allocation Plan. China has joined the World Health Organization's COVAX alliance designed to ensure equitable access to COVID-19 vaccines. This is an important step China has taken to uphold the concept of a shared community of health for all, Chinese Foreign Ministry said. China, which has 4 vaccines in stage 3 clinical trials, is the biggest economy to back the alliance. Kerala's Padmanabha Swami Temple shuts as 10 priests tested COVID-19 positive. Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram has been temporarily shut till October 15 as 12 staff members including 10 priests tested positive for COVID-19. Daily pujas will be done by Tantri but no darshan will be allowed. Temple's executive officer V. Ratishan said, among these infected are 2 chief priests, 8 sub-priests and 2 gods, he added. Louise Gluck, who won the 2020 Nobel Prize in Literature, said that her first thought after winning the prize was that I won't have any friends because most of my friends are writers, but then I thought that won't happen, she added. But mostly I am concerned for the preservation of daily life with people I love, Gluck further said. Argentina becomes first nation to approve genetically modified wheat. Argentina has approved HBO drought-resistant GMO wheat by biotechnology firm Bioceres, making it the first country in the world to approve a strain of GMO wheat. Bioceres said it will only begin marketing HBO once it's approved for importation by Brazil. Argentina's government said the HBO technology provides seeds that are more tolerant to drought and helps minimize production losses. Rare bird that is half male and half female found in US. A rose-breasted grosbeak bird that's half male and half female found at the nature reserve in Pennsylvania at US. Male grosbeaks have black wing feathers with pink wing pits while females have brown wings and yellow wing spit. The grosbeak spotted at the reserve was split right down the middle, pink on the right side, yellow on the left. Winners await cash prize a month after National Sports Awards. Several winners at the National Sports Awards, which was held on August 29, are yet to receive their prize money and the trophy. A sports ministry official confirmed the delay and said the cash prize should be transferred in the coming 3 or 4 days. The delay was attributed to a last-minute hike in prize money and a software glitch. Speaking about the US vice presidential debate, President Donald Trump on Thursday called Democratic vice presidential candidate Kamala Harris a monster and claimed that everything she said is a lie. Trump also claimed that Pence destroyed Harris during the debate on Wednesday. At the debate, Harris had criticized the Trump administration's handling of the coronavirus pandemic. World Food Programme awarded Nobel Peace Prize 2020. Norwegian Nobel Committee has awarded Nobel Peace Prize 2020 to the World Food Programme. The World Food Programme contributes daily to advancing the fraternity of nations referred to in Alfred Nobel's will. The committee said WFP has made a strong contribution towards mobilizing UN member states to combat use of hunger as a weapon of war and conflict, it added. India Post brings happiness to countless lives. PM Narendra Modi on Friday extended greetings to India Post employees on the occasion of World Post Day. We are extremely proud of India Post team for their efforts to connect India. They bring happiness to countless lives, said PM Modi on Twitter. UN IT Minister R.S. Prasad congratulated India Post employees for their stellar service to citizens even during pandemic. People who speak 2 or more languages may unconsciously change their personality when they switch languages. The founder of Shaolin Kung Fu in China is a Pallava prince called Bodhidharma from South India. Blue whales are the largest sea animals ever known to have lived on Earth. Their tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant. Google has found that grades and test scores are worthless as a criteria for hiring. 1961, James Monaghan, co-founder of Domino's Pizza, traded his 50% share in Domino's to his brother Tom in exchange of a used Volkswagen Beetle. Tom went on to sell his 93% stake in Domino's for $1 billion in 1993.